make paneer pockets. For that, first thing we need to make a dough. Take a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup whole wheat flour, add required amount of salt, add 2 tablespoons oil. Then crumble the dough well. After crumble the flour, add water little by little and make a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Apply some oil and grease well and cover the lid and rest for 10 minutes. Let's start paneer stuffing process. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it gets hot, add chopped onion and add required amount of salt. Then saute the onion well until the onions turn transparent. Now onions are sauteed well, then add chopped carrot, followed by add 1/4 cup sweet corn. Mix them well until the vegetable becomes soft. You can add any kind of vegetable as you like. Once the vegetables are cooked, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, then add 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Then mix it well. After that, add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup and mix it well. At last, add crumbled paneer and saute them well. There is a small note. Don't overcook the paneer, otherwise it becomes hard. Now the paneer and vegetable masala is ready. Let's start making paneer pocket. Take a small portion of dough, then dust it into flour and make a small circle. After that, take some wheat flour and mix it in the water. After making the chapati roll, keep stuffing on the middle. Then apply some wheat flour with water mixture at the edge. Then fold. Our paneer pocket is ready. We have to cook. Heat the pan with some oil. Then gently drop the paneer pocket and cook. After some time, flip into other side and cook. Cook both sides until it turns golden brown. After some time, it cooked well and turned golden brown. This is the correct stage to take it out. In same way, I am going to cook few more. My paneer pockets are ready. You can see how it cooked both sides. Quick and easy paneer pockets are ready. You can serve as a snack or breakfast. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.